Please stand by. This is a national crisis. Important information and instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. At around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of zombie-like creatures were reported to be roaming the streets of the United States. These creatures can be discriminated as red, white, or blue skin, red glowing eyes, bloody clothes, mumbled speech or none at all, and moving very fast. This is a dangerous situation and cannot be ignored. This virus is not spread by air but by bite marks or coming in contact with this virus. Gather food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio, and seek a basement while you can. Please stay tuned on this dangerous situation.